what is up? So I am so excited about today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys and trying out this new collection from MODA brushes. This is the Marilyn Monroe brush collection. You guys, this is such a gorgeous collection, and yeah, I cannot wait to show you guys. So I have loved Marilyn ever since a young child. I used to watch old movies, old black and white movies with my grandparents all the time. My grandmother turned me on to Some Like It Hot, which is now one of my favorite movies still to this day. That is just the cutest movie ever. If you have not seen the original Some Like It Hot with Marilyn Monroe, please go watch it. It is so, so cute. Diamonds are... Gentlemen prefer blondes. That's the movie, not Diamonds Are a Girl's Best Friend. That's a song from that movie. Gentlemen Prefer Blondes. Such a cute movie. Another cute movie that she's in. You guys go check that one out as well. But yes, I love Marilyn. I grew up watching Marilyn because of my grandparents. All the Marilyn movies, Shirley Temple movies, all of those old actresses I'm in love with. But yes, so when I saw this collection, I died. So yeah, if you'd like to see how I got this look on my face using this Marilyn Monroe collection by MODA brushes, then just stay tuned. All right, so it looks a little something like this. All right, so opening it up, it looks like this. A beautiful picture of Marilyn and a quote from her that says, "It's all make-believe, isn't it?" And then inside are the two brush sets. Beautiful, beautiful collection. So this first set over here is called the Big Time Bombshell Face Kit. And it has some huge face brushes in there with Marilyn on the wand. And then over here we have the Sparkling Starlet Deluxe Kit. And the wands are a beautiful sparkling red. Let's take these out and get a closer look. So inside the Big Time Bombshell Face Kit, we have a angle brush, complexion brush, round powder, and a small stippler. And then on the back of the packaging, it tells a little bit about each brush. And it says, steal the silver screen, create timeless makeup looks with these 4 complexion-focused brushes with dual-toned vegan filaments and sleek black handles that capture the beauty of your favorite starlet. This set will be your go-to for glamour. Oh my gosh, you guys, the quality, it is heavy. The bristles are so soft. I am already in love. I cannot wait to get this on my face. It is just, feels so, so good. Oh my God, how cute. So this one is the powder brush. This is perfect for sweeping on some loose powder or maybe a highlight across your collarbone or shoulders. So, so beautiful. Next, we have the complexion brush, and this is densely packed and perfect for foundation, bronzer, or blush. Here is the angle brush. This one is perfect for sculpting out the cheeks or applying some blush with. And then last but not least in this set, we have the small stippler, which is used for highlight, bronzer, blush as well. But it's a little bit more loose, so it's going to really gently sweep product across the face. And then we have the Sparkling Starlet Deluxe Kit. And on the back, same thing. It tells a little bit about each brush, and it says, sparkle and shine, starlet. Steal the spotlight with these 7 face and eye brushes. Create timeless glam looks that are red carpet ready with this kit featuring platinum blonde vegan filaments and glitzy red hot handles. So I think it's really cool how they incorporated her blonde hair and just the whole like glitzy, glamorous, red lip kind of feel with the wand on these brushes. So super cute and totally embody that Marilyn Monroe starlet kind of feel. So let's get a closer look at this kit. And per usual, all MODA brushes are 100% vegan and cruelty-free. So here is what it looks like. There is the handle. It says Marilyn Monroe x MODA. And then on the back there, it's got her signature. This is the angle brush. This is used for angled liner to smudge out your liner a bit or to use in your brows, which is what I use it for most of the time. Next, we have a glam topper. These are so super cool. I use these to pack on glitter. It's just kind of a silicone tip. And you can also use this to pack on metallic shadows as well. Next is the small shader brush. This is perfect for packing on eyeshadows. We have a crease brush, which is perfect for that crease and blending upwards. Here is a smudger brush, and this is perfect for that under eye area to smudge out liner or shadows. Here is the blending fan, which is perfect to get into the hollows of the cheek and really blend it out. You can also do like a little pop of color on the cheeks with this if you'd like. And then we have the accentuate brush, and this is perfect for like getting that highlighter to go right where you want it. I kind of use this underneath the eye for powder. I also sometimes get into the hollows of my cheeks with this as well. All right, so without further ado, let's do a look using these amazing Marilyn Monroe MODA brushes. And here's the final look using the Marilyn Monroe collection by MODA brushes. You guys, this collection is absolutely gorgeous. I am so in love. I just want to say a big thank you to MODA for sending me these brushes to try. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.